Hello everyone, here's our demo video of the new mechanics and features we added into our game. We're going to click play and get straight into it. Here's our easy level 1. In this level we have tutorial boxes, like the one that just popped up, that will tell us what to do so the player can get the hang of the game. Now we're going to go to the next area to show you a new mechanic we added called the collectible machine. Firstly, I'm going to hurt myself so I can show you what the machine can do. As you can see, the machine has a HUD that tells us to press E to interact with it. Next, as you can see, the machine has all the things you can buy from this machine. Interact with it. You can buy instant kill, pop-up comes up showing you all the things you can buy from this machine. Points ×2, and you can buy instant kill. We're gonna buy a health pack to gain 1 heart back. Points ×2. As you can see, our health went up, and our HUD announces that we gain 1 heart back. We're gonna move on to the next area, which will help us demonstrate one of the powers you can buy. That little green pill we collected gave us an instant kill power. As you can see, when we collected the power, our power HUD says 1 out of 1 now. It also tells us to use the F key to use the power. We're going to click F now to use the power to kill the 2 enemies below. Our HUD now tells us when we have the power activated. For the sake of the demonstration, we will use our debug menu to get the coins we need to purchase the invincibility power. As you can see as well, when we buy the power, the machine no longer allows us to purchase any more because we're limited to 1 only. When we use this power, you can see that the fire knocks us back, but doesn't hurt us. And if we jump off, we don't lose any health, just get spawned back to our checkpoint. In this next area, we will use the air slam mechanic to break through the weak ground to collect coins below. As you can see, there's a white portal below. Most of the levels will contain these portals to transport the player to hidden areas, or in this case, transport them back to the checkpoint so we can move forward. In this area, we will be using our debug menu to demonstrate the 2 times coin power. With this power activated, you can see how the coins are now doubled. Instead of 10 points, the player gets 20 points with each coin collected. We also have fading platforms that fade away after a few seconds to give the player a bit of a challenge. As you can see, the HUD display says our door is locked and we are missing a key collectible, that the door itself is closed with the red light. We need to find the collectible in order to open the door and progress to the next area. We found the special collectible. Not only does our HUD say 1 out of 1 now and unlocked, our camera shows us where the door is located. Before we leave, we will jump up to this next platform. This area, as you can see by the pop-up on the screen, is one of the hidden areas that I mentioned earlier. In this area, we have a bunch of coins. Now that we are done here, we will go through the door which will take us to the next level. Level 2 easy. For the sake of this demonstration, we will be using our level selection option in the pause menu to go to level 2 normal. This level contains some added features that we did not see in the first level. Firstly, we have a fading wall. Just like the platform, it fades away after a few seconds, giving some challenge to the player. With the coins we collected, we're going to buy Shockwave to test our power. A feature we just stumbled upon was the lasers, and those kill you instantly at touch. To get back to where we were, we will use the debug menu to reach the checkpoint we last passed, as well as add the coins to get the coins we need for the shockwave again. As you can see, when we pressed F, then did an air slam, the player did a shockwave that killed the enemy that was in range of the shockwave. To speed up the demonstration again, we're going to use the special item transport to teleport me to the special collectible needed to progress later on in the level. We just need to be careful around those dangerous lasers too. Now that we have the collectible, we can proceed to the unlocked door. As you can see, we have reached some portals. The first portal took us to an area with coins and an instant kill power so we can use now. The next portal took us to an area with some coins, and the last portal is taking us back to where we were. Now we will just press F to use the insta-kill and kill all the enemies in front of us. Another thing with the powers are that the HUD blinks when the power is about to disappear. We just collected a red pill this time. This pill is for the shockwave power. Now we have a shockwave power we can use if we need it. To get rid of this enemy, we're going to use the shockwave power that we have. Voila, enemy dead. Unfortunately, we got set back to the checkpoint when falling into one of the portals, but we're not far and our exit is near. Finally, we've reached our exit and we were teleported to the next level. That's it for our demonstration. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.